Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 cordless vacuums available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best cordless vacuums. The 5th product on our list is the Black & Decker Power Series Pro. Part of the Power Series Pro line, this Black & Decker is a versatile 2-in-1 vacuum designed for people who are looking for efficient vacuums for cleaning pet hair. It is one of the most technically innovative cordless vacuums in the market at its price range. The model is designed with LED indicators for several features. One of the indicators is for battery life, while another is for filter sense, a feature that updates users when the dustbin needs to be emptied. But the dust compactor keeps all the dirt together in a canister, so you will not have to empty the dustbin every time. A function called Auto Sense automatically shifts modes depending on the surface that the vacuum is cleaning. It makes the product's battery more effective and efficient. This Black & Decker cordless vacuum comes with a detachable handheld component with a longer hose than other products. It is perfect for cleaning furniture and deeper crevices. The model has a rubber brush with anti-tangle bristles that help dig into carpets and pull up hair and dirt from hard-to-reach areas. Still, this vacuum's best aspect is its battery life. It can last up to 60 minutes. That is way more than its competitors in the same price range offer. Its pros are, it has a competitive price, the dust compactor can hold a lot of dirt, and it has a long battery life. However, the cons are, it has low suction power, and the battery is not designed to be removed. The Black & Decker Power Series Pro should be a consideration if you want cordless convenience, and you have a smaller home with lots of bare floors. Up next in the 4th place is the LG Cord Zero A9 Ultimate. The LG Cord Zero A9 Ultimate is LG's answer to the other premium cordless vacuums in the market. It has 2 lithium rechargeable ion batteries, a 13.5-ounce dustbin capacity, 3 washable filters, and various attachments. The attachments include an extension wand, power carpet nozzle, crevice tool, 2-in-1 brush tool, power floor nozzle, and power punch nozzle. The product comes with a 10-year warranty on the motor and a 1-year warranty on the whole unit. You can control all the vacuum's features with one single touch. Turn it on or change its power levels with just your thumb without cramping your hand. This cordless vacuum has a 16-minute runtime on high and about 80 minutes on low between both batteries. Moreover, it allows you to clean and charge at the same time if the situation calls for it. This LG cordless vacuum can clean carpet and hardwood floors thanks to the power floor and power carpet nozzles. The power floor nozzle attachment is a soft brush roller that can suction up dust without scratching the floor. Meanwhile, the power carpet nozzle has wide bristles to avoid being clogged by dust bunnies. The product also has a telescopic extension that gives the vacuum a 45-inch reach from handle to tip. Its pros are, it comes with a powerful suction. It performs well on any surface and has a long reach. It can be easily stored. The batteries are removable, rechargeable, and replaceable. And the charging dock can be either drilled into a wall or set up as a stand in the middle of the room. However, this cordless vacuum can be expensive for its performance. Nevertheless, LG Cord Zero A9 Ultimate is a perfect match for anyone who is looking for a high-end vacuum that comes with a no-drill charging dock, powerful suction, and replaceable batteries. If budget is not an issue, you will enjoy this model. Still haven't found the cordless vacuum that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Hoover One Power Blade Plus. The Hoover One Power Blade Plus cordless vacuum comes with a sleek and simplistic design, packed with exciting and useful features. It is an excellent cleaning appliance. It is easy to use, efficient, powerful, and versatile. The dual cyclonic dust vault technology powers this vacuum. This technology allows the product to vacuum up all of the dirt and dust on most surfaces, including hard and soft floors. It creates strong cyclones of air so that the suction can stay intense and consistent. The vacuum provides two cleaning modes that you can choose from. The first one is the Eco mode, which is what you will be using more often. This mode does not use a lot of suction power, so the battery will last a bit longer. But even with that, you can still vacuum on hard surfaces. The other mode is the Carpet mode, that is designed to make it easier for you to clean carpets. It uses more suction power and more battery life. It also uses an exceptionally well-designed brush roll called Twin Helix Brush Roll. It is designed for both soft and hard surfaces. The size is even perfect for different kinds of spaces. In front of the brush is the Dust Tracker LED headlight. This feature helps illuminate the dirt and dust in front of the brush roll. Its pros are: this Hoover cordless vacuum is lightweight. You can easily lift it with one hand. It has a long runtime. You can choose between two cleaning modes. It uses dual cyclonic dust vault technology, and it is more affordable than other cordless vacuums. However, the cons are: the Eco mode suction is mediocre. The appliance cannot stand up on its own, and it has a small cleaning width. The Hoover One Power Blade Plus is known for its performance and affordability. If you are looking for a cordless vacuum that can fall into your budget, this product is worth checking out. The second product on our list is the Shark Navigator NV356E. The Shark Navigator is a 2-in-1 vacuum that you can use in its upright mode or with its canister detached to get into hard-to-reach places. What makes this cordless vacuum unique is it comes with an anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter that traps almost 100% of all allergens. It means that this model is ideal for those who have allergies. The vacuum works well on both hardwood floors, carpets, and rugs, thanks to its powerful suction. You will not have any problem transitioning between surfaces. Its brush roll shutoff feature will make this as smooth as possible. When you're done with the floors, you can detach the portable canister to clean other areas. The crevice tool is ideal for tight corners and hard-to-reach areas like windowsills and furniture ledges. Meanwhile, the dusting brush is great for delicate upholstered household items. There is also a brush for pet hair and ground-in dirt, which is the Pet Power Brush. This product comes with a 2.2 dry quarts of dustbin, which is almost 2 times greater than other models. With this much capacity, you do not have to empty the vacuum every single time. Shark Navigator is slightly larger and heavier than others too. However, even with a weight of 13.7 pounds, it is still easy to use. Its pros are: it is easy to set up, it comes with a powerful suction, and it has a high capacity dustbin. However, the cons are: it cannot go under low furniture, and the canister is wobbly and may tip over easily. Shark Navigator NV356E is a high-quality cordless vacuum with great performance. If you suffer from allergies, its anti-allergen complete seal technology and the HEPA filter will greatly satisfy you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top cordless vacuum is the Dyson V11 Outsize. V11 Outsize is Dyson's most powerful and intelligent cordless vacuum. It is also larger than any other Dyson models. It comes with a bin that is 150% bigger. It means you do not have to empty it as often like with other cordless vacuums. The cleaner head is 25% bigger too, like those on most upright vacuums. However, this does not mean that the product is already hard to use. It still weighs 7.85 pounds. This cordless vacuum comes with a powerful suction that you can control using its 3 modes. The Eco mode has less suction but gives you longer battery life. Meanwhile, the Auto mode automatically adjusts the suction power according to your floor's needs, using the Dyson Dynamic Load Sensing technology. On the other hand, the Boost mode is the Super Suction mode. You need not be confused about which mode you're using. The vacuum has an LCD on the handle that will tell you what mode you are in. It can also inform you if there is a clog. It is ideal for homes with pets and people who have allergies. The vacuum's powerful suction and motorized tool are engineered to clean deeply into surfaces to remove pet hair and dander. Moreover, it has an advanced whole machine filtration that traps 99.99% of particles, dust, and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. Its pros are: it has great suction power, it comes with a large dustbin with self-cleaning capabilities, and it is designed with a large cleaning foot. However, the cons are: it does not have self-cleaning filters, and it can be expensive. The Dyson V11 Outsize is an excellent cordless vacuum. It can take on most cleaning tasks thanks to its large bin, large brush, and powerful suction. If you are not on a budget, you should give it a go. There you have it, top 5 cordless vacuums on the market today. If you found a cordless vacuum on our list that meets your needs and budget, click the links in the description box and catch it at its best price.